The HBN 3-in-1 for Nespresso Capsule and K-Cup pods is designed for coffee lovers who want maximum flexibility in a single compact machine. It stands out by supporting multiple capsule types, allowing users to switch between different coffee styles without needing separate machines. This makes it a practical choice for households with different taste preferences or anyone who enjoys variety in their daily coffee routine. One of the biggest advantages of this coffee maker is its 3-in-1 compatibility. It works with Nespresso-style capsules, K-Cup pods, and other compatible single-serve formats, giving users the freedom to choose from a wide range of coffee flavors and strengths. This flexibility eliminates the limitation of being locked into one coffee system and makes it easier to enjoy different brewing experiences depending on mood or preference. The machine is designed with convenience in mind. It focuses on quick brewing, allowing users to prepare a fresh cup of coffee in just a short amount of time. This is especially useful during busy mornings or work breaks when speed matters. The single-serve system ensures that each cup is brewed fresh, maintaining aroma and flavor without leftover waste. Another key benefit is its compact design. Despite offering multiple capsule compatibility, the machine is built to fit comfortably on kitchen counters, office desks, or small spaces. This makes it suitable for apartments, dorm rooms, and workplaces where space is limited. It provides a full coffee experience without requiring a large or bulky setup. Ease of use is another strong point of the HBN 3-in-1 coffee maker. It is designed with simple controls that allow users to start brewing quickly without complicated settings. This makes it accessible for beginners while still being efficient enough for experienced coffee drinkers who want a fast and reliable brewing process. Cleaning and maintenance are also relatively straightforward due to its single-serve design. Since each brew uses individual capsules or pods, there is minimal mess and less cleanup compared to traditional coffee machines. This adds to its everyday convenience and makes it more suitable for regular use. Overall, the HBN 3-in-1 for Nespresso Capsule and K-Cup pods offers a highly versatile and user-friendly coffee solution. It combines multi-pod compatibility, fast brewing, and compact design into one practical machine. For users who want flexibility, convenience, and consistent single-serve coffee without being limited to one system, it provides a reliable and efficient brewing experience for daily use.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.